Welcome back to Turbo Talk 2, where classic DNA meets modern-day firepower. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Mercedes W115 T-Roc, a restomod that redefines retro elegance with contemporary performance. This machine isn't just a car, it's a statement. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 2026 W115 T-Roc retains the legendary boxy silhouette of the original W115 from the 70s, but every surface has been reworked with subtle aggression and premium touches. The signature upright grille remains, now finished in satin chrome with digital LED bars replacing the old-school slats. The round headlamps have gone full matrix LED, bordered by DRL halos that nod to the past while embracing the future. Massive 20-inch forged wheels fill out the subtly widened arches, and the entire body is sculpted in aluminum carbon hybrid panels, reducing weight while preserving that bulletproof Benz feel. The paint options? Deep metallics and heritage hues like olive silver and horizon blue. Every shade screams timeless class. Under the hood, this T-Roc is no slouch. Gone is the old diesel clatter. In comes a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged, mild hybrid, delivering a crisp 415 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque, mated to a 9-speed AMG-tuned automatic and rear-biased 4MATIC all-wheel drive. It rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.6 seconds. Adaptive air suspension ensures a magic carpet ride in comfort mode and hunkers down for serious corner carving in Sport Plus. The W115 T-Roc doesn't just look the part. It plays it loud and proud with an active exhaust system that lets you cruise in silence or roar like an AMG beast at the push of a button. Step inside, and it's retro luxury reimagined. The cabin blends vintage design cues with modern tech seamlessly. You'll find quilted leather seats with vertical stitching that echo the originals, but now they're heated, cooled, and massage-enabled. A floating 14-inch OLED infotainment screen dominates the dash, supported by a customizable 12-inch digital gauge cluster. Even the steering wheel is a work of art, wood-trimmed, leather-wrapped, and packed with haptic touch controls. Ambient lighting, Burmester 3D audio, and even scent customization make the interior a true sanctuary. Safety? As expected from Mercedes in 2026, it's top tier. You get Level 2+ semi-autonomous driving with highway assist, full surround view, monitoring, cross-traffic braking, adaptive cruise with curve prediction, and pedestrian detection with active mitigation. The chassis is reinforced with modern crash structures and it's loaded with 9 airbags, including rear-side inflators. Classic look, future-ready protection. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Mercedes W115 T-Roc isn't for the faint-hearted or light-walleted. Starting at around $148,000, it's a boutique build, limited to just 500 units globally. But for those lucky enough to snag one, it's more than a car. It's a rolling piece of art with AMG-grade muscle and old-world charm. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes W115 T-Roc. A restomod done right, bold, nostalgic, and uncompromising. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive icons reimagined. This is Turbo Talk 2, signing off until the next rev.